Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold is moving and how the price of gold can move tomorrow and day after. As you can see that the chart that the gold price is moving in a particular range, and I've already suggested in my last videos where the price of gold can go, and I've categorically told that if the price goes below 1737 then it can go around 1728, which has already touched today. Okay, and because the price of gold is moving in a particular range, this is a 5-day chart. If you look at this chart, the price of gold in this particular range, before it is in this particular, what it is doing is that after breaking the resistance point, it goes and make a new high for particular day, and then what it did, it again break the support and make a new low for the particular day. So now what we can see here is that the price of gold is moving in this particular range. Okay, 1734 to 24 in this particular range today. What we can expect tomorrow and day after. See, if you have any doubt regarding your gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or you can join my Telegram channel, as well as please watch the full video, then only you will understand how the market moves. See, look at this chart. The price of gold was moving in this particular range from 16th to 18th. Okay, after that from 18th to 19th it was volatile and made a new high for particular day and then made a new low. Okay, after that what it did, it is moving in this particular range, and from there, after breaking the support, made a new low. What we can expect tomorrow and day after. Look, if the price of gold goes below 1727, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1723, and if it goes below this level, then there is high chances it can touch a level of 1719. Okay, once 1719 is touched, then we can expect it can go below that level, and the level I'll tell you. Okay, from there it can touch a level of 1707. Okay, after touching a level of 1711, then it can touch a level 1707. If it stays below this level, then definitely it can touch a level of 1698. Okay, or 1700. And if goes below this level, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1686. Once 1686 is touched, and if the gold price stays below that level, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1676. And if it goes below this level, okay, but it has to stay around 5-10 minutes below this level, the next support we can see is at around, okay, which is a normal low, which is a big support here, and it can bounce back from there. Then we can see a level of 1672 also. But if the price of gold goes upside, okay, up level, so what we can expect, suppose if the price of gold moves above 1732, then and stays above this level and cross 1734, then we can say it can touch a level of 1737, because 1737 is a big resistance. Okay, once 1737 is touched, okay, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1742. Once 1742 is crossed upside, then it can touch a level of 1746, and if it stays above this level, then the next resistance we can see is at around 1750 to 1755. This is the range where if the gold price moves above this level, then it can touch a level of 1752 to 1755. Okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can see, and stays above this level, then we can see the price of gold can touch a level of, okay, then can touch a level of 1760, and if it's crossed this level, we can see a level of 1767. and if it cross much higher than this, then we can see a level of 1776, and if 1785, and further if it crosses upside, then we can definitely see 1792 to 1800. And once 1800 is touched, then we can see the trend, we can see can go upside. But if it goes below this level and didn't touch this level and stays above, not if it stays above this level, then we can see then it gets level, then we can see the market will move in this particular range only. So if the price stays above, okay, 1800, suppose if it crosses this level, I should see, and now it is at 1729, and if it goes above 1735 and stays above this level, then it can cross a level of 1740. If it stays above this level, then 1749. If it stays above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 755, 752 to 755, and then 1767, 1762 to 1767. If crosses this level, then we can say 1778, and then 1785 to a level of 1792, and then 1800. And once 1800 is crossed upside, then we can see, yes, with a strong support, and we can take a long upside. If it crosses downside, then we will be exiting our position, because the market, the gold price is moving in this particular range itself, have not crossed 1800 because of increase in the interest rate in the US. Okay, so now hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it.